Hello and welcome back to a little quick video about editing time-lapse footage. This time I am showing you how to turn this into something that looks like this using a free app called starstax that usually people use for star trails. It's free on both Mac and PC, and I'll be running you through how to create these cool simulated long exposure effects. Let's go. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vandeputte. I'm a time-lapse photographer living on the channel of time tutorials, and I just don't have much time for other videos, so you're getting another little time-lapse editing tutorial. So the app is called starstax. I've linked it down below. It's a free download. It is super simple to use, and here's how we create these fake long exposures. So it's easy. Drop your images here. So let's grab our images, shall we? Now I've prepped this sunset sequence. It's a JPEG sequence. It looks like that, frame by frame. I actually exported these JPEGs from the RAWs because I just shot them as RAWs. Literally drag and drop in this side bit here. You'll see this recognize that sequence, gives you some data here. Above here are your control buttons, but first we need to go to the preferences, to the blending mode. So set your blending mode to average, otherwise it's gonna look super whack. Then save after each step is the next thing you wanna do, and you wanna set your naming structure, I guess, image numbering, etc., and an output folder as well. Now I've prepped this, I've done this already, and once you hit this button here, you will get a resulting sequence that looks like this. So that's the first frame, then it's blended with the second frame, then the third, and so on and so forth. Then all that's left to do is create a movie or a video file out of these newly blended frames. Now you can do that in a bunch of ways. Let's have a quick look at, for example, where is QuickTime? QuickTime is down here. You can make, you can go Shift Command O or open image sequence. Just drag those new files in there. Choose media. Then let's just go with the 1080p for a quick render. Set it to 25 frames per second, and let's do that. Preparing video, and before you know it, you can save that as a new video file, and there you have it. In probably under a minute, you have a simulated long exposure video of actually fast shutter speed photos of a time-lapse sequence. And that is all I've got for you today. Just look at that. There's some really strange color stuff going on here, which, oh my gosh, that looks really strange. There's other ways to edit this, by the way, but I just wanted to show you the starstax one because I could smash that video out real quick today. I'm working on so much stuff. You may have seen the Time Warper merch, which is launching on the newsletter officially soon. This hat is new as well. It's been redesigned. The Passive Income for Creatives ebook has been turned into an audiobook finally. It's been almost rewritten from the ground up. I'm currently working on rewriting my time-lapse ebooks, making them into one. I've got a huge amount of stuff coming out. If you want to stay up to date and if you want early access and special offers and discounts to everything that's coming, make sure to sign up to the newsletter. In return, you will get 2 free ebooks as well as some free Lightroom presets. So sign up below to the newsletter, which is changing name soon. You gotta subscribe to it to figure out what it's gonna be. I'm super excited about it. It's gonna be a whole rebranding. And yeah, it's gonna be an exciting year. So thanks for tuning in. Any other quick video tutorials you wanna see, let me know. And trust me, there is lots of fun stuff coming soon.